But we have a special guest, which is my brother. So he's gonna be doing a tiger shirt with me too, which is plain white. And then we have rubber bands, water, the paint to like do the tiger shirt, and we have this plastic to when it's done, so you can put it over. And we're gonna, I don't know what my brother's gonna do. He's probably gonna be like striped, but I'm gonna do a twist. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and take the powder, and then we're gonna put like water in it. So it makes the paint and it absorbs. And then after you have to shake it, so all the paint, it like paints this. It doesn't get like fall off or anything. So me and Check-It are gonna be putting water on the thing.
So we have the.
So Check-It, what do you help me put the water inside?
Yeah.
Put it like to here. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you very much. So, now, as you guys saw, we did one that's green. So, now we need to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. For at least like 10 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have a really good green paint for the tiger shots. So now we're gonna do teal. So check it. This is like blood. So we're gonna do the same thing with all of these colors. So check it. What do you put more water in? Mostly all of them. I have our paint, which is dye, but you want it's fine. We can just call it paint. We have our ribbons ready. We have our shirts ready. So let's get to it. So I'm going to use paint for that. Really quick, and then it's gonna like damage, like it's gonna like stain the shirt. So then we're gonna leave it there for 8 hours. We're gonna wrap it up in plastic. Then we're gonna wake up in the morning, which we're gonna cut that. We're gonna wake up in the morning, and then we're gonna show how it looks in the end. So I'm just gonna show you right now how I'm gonna wrap it. So you grab it, and then that's really cute. That's gonna help me really quick because I'm not really good at this.
I don't know if you're good at this. We're gonna try.
Yep.
So
because trying makes it better.
Yay! High five. So we lay the plastic on the table, pick the shirt up, and wrap this thing up on the plastic.
We need 2 pieces of plastic. So, guys, you guys could just grab plastic from this, back from this. Then
Hey, come over here. They can see it over here.
you pick it up. Then, like that amount. Then you break it. And that's how much makes.
That's good. That's exactly what we needed. Just to cover the sides like this.
Perfect. And guys, we wrapped it up. Now we're gonna leave it in the kitchen, wherever, because I know where Mom's gonna put it. Guys, it looks perfect.
Go.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I have on my hand.
We have a special guest.
Yeah, and it's my doggy. He's so cute and he's so white. Because he's just too cute that I can't even stop kissing him. Like, he's just too cute. Why is he so cute? And name's so loving. And he's too.
So this is the result of the napkins, which actually do look cooler than the shirts because there's white, and you can actually distinguish it.
And I'll see you tomorrow when we wash this. Probably in the morning. Probably when I'm done school. But it's only gonna take like my school only takes like for 10 hours, I think. And then make sure to subscribe and like this video. Or else a little creepy girl. A little creepy girl will come like this. So yeah. So if you don't like this video, you're gonna see
Oscar, listen to.
little woman
If you don't like
coming
this
while
video,
you're sleeping. You're gonna see this. So make sure you like this video.